trigonometric equations by first expressing the equation tangent x plus 45 degrees equals 2 cotangent x plus 1 as a quadratic equation in tangent x. So we have to use the compound angle formula in the MF19 for tangent plus. So because of this x plus 45, we use the sign on top, so plus plus minus. So tangent x plus 45 equals tangent x plus tangent 45 over 1 minus tangent x tangent 45. And then there's a non-MF19 formula you have to know. Cotangent is 1 over tangent, so this cotangent is actually 1 over tangent. Okay, so now use a calculator. Tangent 45 is 1, so plus 1, and this is also 1, and this is the same as 2 over tangent, and 1 is the same as tangent over tangent, so we can combine the fractions. We have 2 plus tangent over tangent on the right, and then we cross multiply. So we multiply tangent x plus 1 times tangent, we get tangent squared plus tangent, and here when we multiply 1 times 2 we get 2, minus tangent times 2, that's minus 2 tangent, and 1 times tangent plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1 tangent, and minus tangent times tangent, minus tangent squared. Then move everything to the left, so add tangent squared and we get this, add minus tangent we get this, and subtract 2 from both sides we get this. Right, so this is a quadratic in terms of tangent. We can use the quadratic formula in the MF19. The x is tangent x, the coefficients a, b, c are 2, 2, minus 2, and plug in into the calculator. Use your calculator, you get this. So we have two possibilities, plus minus. So for the plus, this is actually something positive. So for the base angle, just use inverse tangent something positive, we get the first quadrant angle. And for the negative, so this is actually something negative. So to find the base angle in the first quadrant, we have to use minus something negative, so that it's something positive now, and we get the first quadrant angle, the base angle. So if you don't use negative, if you just use inverse tangent this guy, you're gonna get the fourth quadrant negative angle. Okay, so after we find the base angles, look at the domain from 0 to 180, so only quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 are possible. So because this tangent value is positive, we have to use quadrant 1, that's why we use the base angle. And since this tangent value is negative, we have to use the second quadrant, and second quadrant is 180 minus base angle, so 180 minus this, we get the second solution. Alright,